Hi friends, this is Neha welcoming you to Bollywood Fashion Funda. I hope you guys are going as chic and stylish as always, isn't it? Okay friends, now this is that time of the year where we need to stock our wardrobe with some warmies. I mean it's the winter season guys. But you know what? This time let's not go in for the regular sweaters, pullovers, cardigans and all. Let's chuck all of that and go in for something more stylish. If you guys have seen Shah Rukh Khan's look in Dawn 2, then you exactly know what I'm talking about. Yup, it's blazers. Come, let's take a look. Guys, here we have for you a semi-formal look where we have a white linen cotton blend jacket for you, which you can pair with a black shirt and denims. And you know what? I often recommend people to not go for plain blazers. In fact, we can go in for some embroideries such as this just to enhance the look and make it look more cool and funky. And then if you could please turn around, we can have a small intricate design over here of the same embroidery just to give the whole feel a bit more classy look. Guys, here we have a second option as a semi-formal look, a corduroy blazer. Remember, we can get these in various colors like a dark brown as he is wearing. Otherwise, you have them in beige, light browns, even blacks. And as I said, I need some embroidery. I have a small embroidery over here. This is tiny fish embroidered on the jacket, which makes it more interesting, doesn't it? Because it is of the same color as the jacket. So here you go, and we complete a semi-formal look for blazers. And here we have for you the typical Shah Rukh Khan Dawn look. The black velvet blazer, the black shirt and the black trousers. Cool, isn't it guys? Well, if you remember in Dawn 2, he's also sported some leather blazers. But what I suggest, in the kind of climate we live in, we would not be comfortable wearing leather. So velvet is a more friendlier fabric. So guys, the next time you're out at a wedding reception to don up that Dawn look, go in for a black velvet blazer. A blazer in any fabric can bring out that hot hunk in you, and you can have all the girls drooling over you. So time to don yourself up the SRK way. After all, we all want to look like a Bollywood celeb, right? So go fashionable with me Neha on Bollywood Fashion Funda.